Hey everyone, in today's video we are visiting at Runwal Gardens residential project located on Kalyan Shil Road, Dombivali, Mumbai. So friends, in front you can see the main entrance gate of the project, and this is the main connecting road in front of it. And this is the main entry point from Kalyan Shil Road towards the project. And there you can see the commercial property space for R-Galleria, which is under construction stage. And that's the space for our mall. So all the basic utilities are in close proximity. And there you can see the construction of phase 1 is going on. And if we talk about this project in details, it is sprawled over 115 acres of land. And it consists of 12 number of towers with G plus 23 number of floors in phase 1. And it offers 1, 2 and 3 BHK flats for the residents. And now we are taking you into a 1 BHK sample flat. So this is the living area designed with an attached balcony. And here is the bedroom, which has an attached washroom. Now here is the common washroom. And just opposite to this, we have the kitchen. And now we are taking you into a 2 BHK sample flat. So friends, this is the living cum dining hall designed with an attached balcony. And further we have the kitchen, which has efficient space and designed with a separate utility balcony. And here's the common washroom. And just next to this we have the first bedroom. And beside this we have the second bedroom, which is the master bedroom, designed with an attached washroom. So friends, that's all in this video. Thanks for watching. For more real estate videos and updates, you can subscribe to our channel. And for site visit and queries, you can call us at the given number. Thank you.